today we're gonna be doing a twin celebrity challenge. Here's my puppy. So we got these Toy Story MASHEMS. I'm gonna put one under one of these cups. Puppy has to find out which one. If she gets it right, it's 1 point to her. But if she gets it wrong, I get the point. Come on in, Rosie. Yeah! She got the point and she steals the cup. Round two, she's not gonna get this one. Come on in, Rosie. No! It was dun dun. 1 point to me. Round three. Come on in, Rosie. Double. 2 points for me. Okay, Rosie, come out. Gee, which one are you going for, Mrs.? Yes, you won! So 2-2. Okay, she outsmarted me. Rosie, come in. Oh, wrong one. 3 points to me. Final one. Come on in. No, wrong one again. I guess I run and I get the mushroom. Sorry, mushroom stupid. These are the ones you can collect. Let's see what we've got. Giggles, Nickadipples. Next one. Kaboom. And he does super kick. Look, he's also got his missing eye. This is going to be easy as pie, except for this, harder than pie. I'm beautiful. And then do this. It's Gabby. And cool. Oh, my hair. These could be Woody and Buzz, and this could be the mystery. Let's see if this one's a double, because if it's a double, that's kind of... I think this might be the mystery. Yes, it is the mystery. And the mystery is... Special Edition Forky. Oh, this is very rare. Original and double. I spoke too soon. It's another girl. Last one. I hope it's not going to be another double. Is it another double? Is it? I thought it was a big daddy. These MASHEMS are available at all these retailers. Dun dun dun!